guys, let's make mangonada. Let's step on the gas, let's go. Cut one fresh mango in cube, just like so. Add to a bowl and set aside. Add 2 cups of frozen mango chunk to a blender.
Yeah.
Along with 1/4 cup of white sugar. Yes, sir. 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lime juice. Add that in. And 1 cup of water. Cover and blend it smooth. Let's go. Time to assemble. Let's decorate our serving glass. Add some chamoy to a bowl. And tajin to another bowl. Dip your glass in chamoy and tajin. Drizzle in some more chamoy. Add some fresh mango at the bottom. Blended mango. More fresh mango on top. More chamoy. And more tajin. Yes, sir. Ready. Now let's try it. Bossing. Bossing.